How to download and install Zangi app on laptop or PC 2025. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So you cannot directly download the Zangi app, like as you can see the blue stacks. You just have to simply download the blue stacks, or you can also download the Google Play Games beta. And after that you can as you can see, this is the emulator. You just can simply search for Zangi app here and looking for Zangi private messenger. It says the app isn't available on play games on PC, so this emulator doesn't support the Zangi app. So you just have to simply download BlueStacks and search for uh, Zangi app on your Google Play Store, and then you just have to simply install it on your device, and you can then just start using it through the emulator. So that's it for this video, guys. See you on the next one.